This is the 1 gallon bottle of Acidblue Muriatic acid. This is the 31.5% concentration here. I use this for pool chemicals. This is saltwater pool. It's about 18,000 gallons. It's a fiberglass in-ground pool here. This stuff just does a phenomenal job balancing everything. This is recommended by our pool company that we used to use to service it. I started doing it myself. It's just a no-brainer. The stuff works great. I like this one because it has the low vapor. It's just a really good product. I tried some other ones. I tried the pH decreaser in the powder form. Just keep going back to the liquid Acidblue. It just does a great job. I know it has a lot of other uses for concrete, bricks, and metal, but I only have the experience using it for the pool, and I'm just very pleased with it. It always gets the chemicals balanced, get everything dialed in, and it just does a phenomenal job. I usually pick this up in a 4-pack, so I get 4 gallons at one time, and I'm very pleased with it. Like I said, repeat buyer, always have it on hand when we're maintaining the pool, and just does a phenomenal job. Again, it's the 31.5 concentration of the Acidblue Muriatic acid in the 1 gallon bottle.